Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the Viator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the explore button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the search worldwide button and just type in any place that you have in mind. And as you can see, here are this thermal spring place, and you can see all the related searches and similar experiences that you can find available on this page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.